Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker, and in today's video, we will be discussing the red readers with some of PDK's latest industry-leading technologies. Let's get started. The red readers are PDK's most feature-rich, future-proof readers. They come in 4 varieties within 3 basic classes: mullion, gang, and keypad. Each of these classes have high security in Bluetooth, high security in prox, and high security prox and Bluetooth varieties. With the 3 classes and 4 varieties, this gives us a total of 12 unique red readers. Each red reader comes capable of outputting either Wiegand or OSDP signals, though it is always recommended to use OSDP where possible to maximize the capabilities and future-proofing of these devices. Due to the two-way communication capabilities of the OSDP standard, these readers can even receive remote firmware updates directly to each reader for ultimate convenience and future-proofing. Additionally, OSDP allows the reader to self-report its serial number in its communications with the controllers, making it easier to auto-discover the reader within the configuration page. This further reduces the amount of time necessary to configure each device. The most prominent capability of these readers is the Bluetooth and smart card credentials that allow you to take the security of your system to the next level. Smart card credentials are offered with PDK's proprietary red credentials, a DesFire EV2 credential that cannot be duplicated. Bluetooth credentials likewise cannot be duplicated and are simple to issue and revoke without the need to physically distribute or retrieve these credentials. This will allow users of the system to present their phone to the reader in order to gain access through the entrance. With OSDP communications, you can rest assured that sniffing attacks are impossible. With PDK's built-in security protocols and software capabilities, you can ensure that there are no weak points from credential to reader, reader to controller, and beyond by locking everything down. So when you're looking for a cutting-edge device that allows you to install with the ultimate flexibility, look no further than the red readers by PDK.